Markets across the globe echoed the sentiment. With more than 83,000 now infected, 2,800 have died mainly in China, but new infections outside that country are now outpacing those within.
Our message continues to be that this virus has pandemic potential, and WHO is providing the tools to help every country to prepare accordingly.
But those efforts are being challenged by the spread, with cases now reported in Brazil, the first in South America, in Nigeria's sprawling city of Lagos, the first in sub-Saharan Africa, while growing numbers in Italy, over 600, South Korea at over 2,300, Japan with more than 900, and Iran at over 200 cases is contributing to unease on world markets.
There's a lot of fear out there, and potentially there's some pressure politically. And if you look at the implied probability for 1, 2, or 3 rate cuts, it's increased meaningfully over the past 6 days.
All 3 U.S. benchmark stock indices closed Thursday in what is called correction territory, falling more than 10% but less than 20% from record highs, a level which would push corrections into a bear market amid widespread pessimism and negative investor sentiment.
What I'm concerned about now is this is a global natural disaster. It's unforeseen, it's something that can't be controlled. It's even difficult to contain this, let alone try to control this. So I see problems with business confidence, whether businesses can really meet their demands, their obligations when it comes to paying staff, the other financing terms, supply, what's happening to their productivity. And that in turn will impact the consumer, because the consumer will start to get more concerned. All of a sudden restaurants become quieter, retailers and so on. So this is where the knock-on effect has the problem, which could tip the global economy in that direction, but I don't see it quite now. If we meet again in a couple of months and the situation is this, then yes, we will see that.
Domestically, the United States has confirmed 60 cases, including 1 patient in California that contracted the virus through unknown means, as the White House moved to appoint Vice President Mike Pence to lead a coronavirus task force.
We have done an incredible job. We're going to continue. It's going to disappear. One day, it's like a miracle. It will disappear. And from our shores, it could get worse before it gets better. It could maybe go away. We'll see what happens. Nobody really knows. The fact is, the greatest experts I've spoken to them all, nobody really knows. But we have done, and our professionals have done, a fantastic job.
A sentiment global markets continue to reject for now. Sherman Bricebees, SABC News, New York.